I'm Joyce. I'm the narrator.
I'm Narcissa. I'm the Curry's wife's dad.
And I'm Kiara, and I'm Curly's wife.
I'm Ella. I'm Lenny, the kid and the priest.
I'm Susanna. I'm the slave.
Folks, gather round for a tale about why we all know her as Curly's wife. It's quite a story, I tell you. Scene 1. Flashback scene, hospital.
Oh, my baby girl is about to be born. I will choose a perfect name for her. It's called Priscilla Penelope Pinkler Winkle Pumpernickel Persimmon.
Wow.
And so began the longest name in Cylinder. Scene 2, childhood, playground setting.
Pumperwinkle. Oh shoot! Can I just call you Pri?
My daddy says you gotta say the whole thing. But
Yes, very beautiful syllables.
But that is so hard to remember and say.
it's okay. You'll get it one day. I hope.
And that's how it was. Every day there was a new try at saying that name. It was like trying to stick jelly to the wall. Just impossible. Scene 3. Wedding day.
Well, you, Curly, married with Pumperwinkle as wife.
Well, actually, it's Priscilla Penelope Pinkler Winkle Pumpernickel
Oh.
Persimmon.
Oh, nuts. Can we just go on with it? I do.
You can't even say my name right, can you?
That's not my fault. That's your dad making it like a tongue twister.
It's never your fault, is it?
All right. I will try next time. I do.
Okay, now let's move on.
And there they stood, two lovebirds caught in a name game that even Shakespeare would have scratched at his head at. Scene 4. Ranch. Evening.
Hello, my dear Slim.
This philosopher, your name is like a poetry for me to appreciate. But it's no need to call or spoken.
That's the nicest thing anyone has said about my name.
I'm not like the others here. The person here cannot appreciate beautiful things.
Oh, thank you, Slim. I love you.
I love you too. I will take that honor.
Scene 5. Present day at the ranch.
Hey, bro. What a fancy talk, huh? You want to charm my wife?
Your wife's beautiness and kindness already attract me a lot. You
What?
don't deserve to be her husband.
What?
I knew a rabbit caught a long name. That's called her body.
Oh my gosh, I took straight A to write this name. And I wrote some
3 days? That's a long thing.
I would used to practice saying my names for hours at a time.
Oh, our marriage license have an actual pages.
Simple name is mysterious.
Names mean more to the people who give it to you, like sweetheart.
Well, there you have it, folks. It's like a name bank in here, with everyone have their own act about names. Some take it way too seriously. Some just want to keep it simple, and some are just paying focus. But hey, that's life, I guess.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was really cool.